Hello traders, this is TFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe you are doing good. And we really thank God for this far, especially for this 2021 year. As we end this year, guys, we really thank you for working with us. We really thank God for wisdom, for knowledge, everything that so far we are proud of ourselves, because now we have all the system are working good. Finally, we manage to program every system according to the strategies or according to types of traders. We have day traders, long-term traders, scalpers, blah, 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 blah. And today we are launching the last system in 2021. And I believe God from now will be upgrading or updating the systems, not of programming again. I think now it's time now to upgrade what we have and to work with what we have, because for sure our system are working great. All of our robots. Thank you for the customer clients who have been giving us feedback. Thank you for those people who have been transforming their life. We were just one person texted me yesterday and told me that he transformed all from $100 to almost $1,000 in less than a month, using even a risk good management, that is with the 3D spike detector. We have so many things, guys. We have been sharing the result for our Renko Agatha, guys. Classic levels. What else can I tell you, guys? If you're there and you are still missing this opportunity, guys, you don't have you have no one to blame except yourself, because guys, the things are really working good. And this is why we are saying now we are done with programming the system. It is now time to make money. So guys, thank you for working with us, and we really appreciate. All you need to do it is to ask us according to the equity you have. Maybe some people may get confused, which in our system I can see like all systems are good, I don't know which one to pick, or blah 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 blah. No guys, you can just ask us, tell us about your equity, and we can advise you which system you can start with before you proceed even to subscribe. Because the best thing is once you subscribe on one system, you feel to subscribe another. And this is what we will do to our client, because we have so many people who have our system, and they desire even to purchase more of our EAs. Guys, you just inbox me and I will give you with a good offer, as long as you have one of our system, one of our EA or one of our manual system, guys, and you still desiring to have another system, guys. We will give you with a good offer, but that inbox me. I can put that publicly. The other thing is that as we are ending this year 2021, we have now finally my our Nairobi TFX Nairobi system. TFX Nairobi system, for those who don't know, the Nairobi, it's our capital city. It is the capital city of this our beloved nation, Kenya. And we believe now we have even the simple and the best system than ever. And as you know, or as usual, we always give manual and the EA. We have the EA of every manual or things like that. So we want everything to work, because of those people maybe are busy, they don't have that time to trade or to do things manually. Guys, you have the system, you have the EA that trades exact the strategy that you desire, or according to what. Now let's go to the point of we will start with the Nairobi system, manual system. It's very simple and very, very accurate. This time around, there is no any system that can let you down. There is no any system that can let you down. All you need to do, it is to follow the few rules of every system. Now, with the Nairobi system, it is the system that we will be harvesting more than 50 pips and above without losing your money. Because the most important thing, it is to work without losing your money. Always use proper risk management. Don't be greedy, guys. the forex market is there forever. All you need to do it is to use good money management, then you'll be always be grateful for whatever you do. Now let us see some few rules about the NAIROBI. And this NAIROBI, I feel like I can give people with the offer because I really love this. This is my capital city, and this is this is me now. Okay, NAIROBI manual system. The NAIROBI manual system, it is the system that you're supposed to work with in 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes, even without jumping from this time frame to another. And I will show you here. I will demonstrate here live. The reason why I'm saying that is because of the scalpers. You can scalp in 15 minutes. And if you want to go for a long trade for more than 50 pips in every trade you take, guys, you need to work with 1 hour. But also, it's good to work 15 minutes and with 1 hour. Now, we have some few rules of the system. Rule number one. Yeah. Rule number one. Now, and the best of the best thing, there is a lot of good things in this system because we have Ambacas fashion tool. The Ambacas tool, it's a great system. As you can see, it is the one you can see this one. It's this is the Ambacas system. Let me open first of all. The Ambacas system is the system that you set your lot size here, stop loss, and take profit. You can put trailing. And also the max trade. The max trade means for those people who want to enter like five orders at once, guys, or 5 positions at once. This is where you set, let's say for instance, if you set there 3, this means that it will set, it will take 3 position. And after there, guys, if you place, you can place okay and say now, let's say for instance, this is a buy, let me buy. If you just click that buy, and remember, you have to activate your auto trade. So if you place buy, guys, as you can see, it will take 3 position. And this 3 position, guys, you can set even your take profit manually. And I will tell you inbox why. As you can see, there is a take profit here. There is a take profit here. And guys, you can see there is a stop loss, there is a take profit here. But as you can see on my chart, there is nothing like you can't see any stop loss or take profit. The reason why I will tell you in my inbox, because there is a reason of doing that. Now the stop loss is already at 100 and take profit by 70. Now, and the trailing stop, if it hits like 50 pips, it will open the trailing step automatically at it will start trading profit at 30 pips. So the distance between the price, where the price is, it will be only 20 pips. So for those, I don't want to stick there because I have talked much about the abacus, and this one, it's very easy for those people who love to trade the profit, and also for those people who want to take trade or the abacus to control the trades. And from there, if you can set the take profit even manually. If you want to do so, guys, you can set it manually. And the best thing is, when you want to exit from this market, you can just close orders. And if you say, I want to take the ambacas to take automatically to close orders when I'm in good profit, then it will place there automatically. Then the half of 70 pips, which is 35, there is where the ambacas will close the order. So if you want to close the orders manually, let's say you are in profit, you just click close orders, and automatically it will close orders. That is the best of the best thing to work with the ambacas when trading with the manual. And those people who have our manual system and you would like to have the ambacas, guys, the ambacas is for free. It's for free. Now let us see the rules of taking the trades in with our NAIROBI system. Now this is in 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we have already the signal zone. We have the pullback where we are expecting the pullback. This is the golden zone. These indicators it's known as TFX golden zone. Now, when the market is at this pullback, we expect the pullback, and when the market is at this area of reversal, we're expecting this market to reverse. But that's not the point. The point is when to take the trades, because that is very important. And these two lines for pullback and for the reversal, keep this in mind. You can use it as your take profit area. So after entering the market at this area, you can set your take profit near the pullback or near the reversal. So this one, you can say, you can take it like a take profit 1, and this one, it's a take profit 2, whereby you can work with a break even. So if you enter the trade, first trade with 0.1, then after there, and you want to take the take profit 2, then you can divide 0.1. I know some of you know how to do it, so that you can let the market continue running with a 0.05. So when to take the trades, it's very, very, very important. As you can see, rule number 1, the market should or must be in level 10 and level 90. And here we have the TFX turbo. The turbo must touch the level 90 the same way with the mountain. It's very, 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 very important. Some may think, oh, this one is so close or is so familiar with the levels. Don't mind. You just sit there, my friend. This is not level. We have level, and we have this, the NAIROBI, my friend. Now, and I will show you the difference. Now, as you can see now, we are in this support. And in this support, guys, it is a daily support. Let me right click here and go to our super zone, not our, where is this? This is our super zone. Yeah, we have the super zone version 2, the super zone 2. If you click to input, you find that you can control to daily, weekly, and to monthly. The most important thing, or the area, or as a professional trader, they trade from a big time frame. This is for 4 hours and daily. And daily time frame, it's so reliable more than even 4 hours. So the higher time frame you go, the more accurate you get the signal. So now with this NAIROBI, it will be giving you signal from a daily time frame. No, if you want to take from 4 hours, there is no problem. The only thing you can do here for this time frame mode, you can set the time frame mode into 4 hours if you want to take the trades getting signal from 4 hours. But take my advice, because I know why I'm saying this, because the NAIROBI is so complete and I don't want anyone to miss any opportunity. Let us use daily time frame of our super zone. Here, let us use the daily by default, and you never miss that opportunity. Now, let us see if, like for instance, we are at this area now, and as you can see, it is a signal area. Wherever you are in a signal area, we are expecting a sell. We are expecting a sell, and when we are here in the support of our signal area, we are expecting what, guys? We are expecting buy, and this is why the system bought from this area. After this pullback, there was another daily support, blah, 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 and the market went smoothly. This is professional. Now, when our turbo is at 90 and the mountain also it's at 90, now you can only enter the trade whenever we are approaching the daily resistance, which is this one, and we are in a signal zone. So if it touches the signal zone first and the market start dropping, and as you can see now, the mountain, it's at this area, and let me show you something here first. And we also have our TFX histogram here. This is a candle filter. This is our candle filter, changed from this midnight blue to this fire brick. Some will say it's red. Okay, it's okay. From this red, from blue to red, or from midnight to fire bricks. This is where you enter the trade. When will you enter the trade? After the changing color of our trading master. This also is a trading master version 2. So this is where you take your sell. Your sell will be here. Now, why are you selling? The histogram or our candle filter have already changed the color, and we can see the mountain, it's at that level, and also our turbo indicator. So, and here we can see we are in a sell zone now. Here it's a signal zone, and we have our daily resistance there. After there, time to drop, as you can see. And always remember, after taking this trade, enter, put your stop loss behind your signal zone line here, or behind also your daily support or resistance, with some few pips, something like there, so that if the market pullbacks at that area, it must drop, guys. If all these combination matches, if they all match, trust me, it must drop. Let us go to a daily and see if surely this area, it's where the resistance is, this area. So let us go to our daily time frame and see the exact resistance. As you can see, we have the daily resistance here. We have a daily resistance here. This is why even in that 1 hour, we can find that we have a daily resistance. Let's jump to 1 hour, to 15 minutes again, to see where we are, guys. This is where we are. It's at this place where also you will find that we are in a daily resistance. So the system doesn't lie, and you can see the mountain, it's at this level, and when it touches the level 10 in minute 15, you can exit from that market, because it is good also to understand when to exit the market. And let's say, for instance, I just want you to get to understand me, or to get this closely. Now you have taken your trades in 1 hour time frame, and let's say you want to exit early. You don't want to ride the trade. You know, there is a long traders and scalpers. If you are scalping and you want to take some good, some few pips and get out of the market, you can exit this market in minute 15. So after taking your trades in 1 hour, you can jump into minute 15 to do what, guys? To put your take profit at this area of a pullback, because it might pull back in minute 15. And another thing, you can wait now the minute 15, the mountain to touch a level 10. Then from there, you can exit the market. It's very simple, guys. It is very, very, very simple. Don't complicate anything. After taking your trades here in 1 hour time frame, now you will exit this market whenever this mountain touches level the level 10. So this is your exit point. The exit point number 2, again, you can put your take profit at this level of our pullback. You can put your take profit at this pullback, and from there you can see you have already won more than 80 pips from that entry point. But in 1 hour, you have to go for a long trade. For the day traders, those people who don't have many time to be on their desktop, guys, you can use just 1 hour. Just stick there. The system is so complete. This is why I picked these several pairs here, different pairs here, to show you how it works. Now, let us go again to this point, and where is this? Let me change this template again. I just, this is the NAIROBI system. I just, to make things easier, guys. Now, at this point, you can see we have the resistance there. We all know that many times it is not a must for market to come to exact resistance. And this is why we have this resistance, daily resistance, and we also have a signal, which is a golden area. Now, trading with these two of them, they will help you. As we approaching, already we are in a signal area, then if we approaching the resistance, if there is no resistance, don't take that trade. Even though all confirmations are here, don't take that trade until there is a resistance near, or maybe the market was approaching that resistance. We know that it is not a must to get there, but the resistance must be so close. So The other thing, it must be in this signal area. So for this area, in a scenario like this one, you have to take this trade, this sell trade completely without fear, because we were approaching the resistance. It is very simple as that, guys. It's very simple as that. So all you need, it is to work near the resistance, but as long as we have the signal zone, this golden indicator at this place, signal zone, so you can you can take that trade after the changing color of this trading master, and or you again you can put your stop loss there, and I say with some few pips, something like there. Then so to avoid when the market reverse, so that they cannot kick you out, because we know how they do. This is why the uppercut doesn't have those take profit lines, because there is a way they stretch the spread after when they are so close to your what, to your take profit, or maybe the stop loss, so that they can hit your stop loss, or maybe when it when it gets into take profit, they don't take profit, even though you can see the market was there. So this is why the uppercuts we hide those things, so that they cannot kick you out. So the only thing you need to understand, it is the in between from here to here, how many pips are there. Let us count and see how many pips you can. This is why the uppercuts we have set like 70 pips. So the uppercuts automatically, the stop loss will be at that point. So you see, there is no way they can kick you out if you follow the rules correctly. So guys, don't get confused. The rules are very, very, very simple. Even if I can go to which indicator, it doesn't matter, or to which pair. Let me show you. Even here, let's go to daily. Let me draw the support here. Let's go to daily time frame. For day traders, guys, you will be very, very, very happy having this system. And you see, we are in exact that support. So this system doesn't lie. When I tell you it is a daily resistance or support, it's totally daily support or resistance. Now, let me show you something. Let's go back to 1 hour, because I just want people to harvest a good pips. Because let's say, for instance, this was your entry point. Let me delete this one. This one was your entry point. As you can see, the signal zone is here, and we have the support here, and also our mountain, it's at level 10. So this is your entry point. And guys, only from there, only from this entry point to this line of where I told you can put your take profit there, at a pullback where we're expecting market to pull back. As you can see, the market touches our pullback, then it reversed to the entry point, then the market continue going up, and this is your second entry point. As you can see, from here to here, it has already given you 100 pips. And don't put your take profit exactly at that line. Just give some few pips like there. The 80 pips is guaranteed, and this is why Ampacas we set 70 pips profit, because this is 100% that 70 pips profit, that is 100% that you always get that 70 pips in 1 hour time frame. When you go to 15 minutes, that can be even less than 40 pips, because that's where you do your scalping. So it is simple as that, guys. It is simple as that. Let's look for another thing. In a scenario like this one, we are coming from this resistance, then the mountain, we are in a signal zone here, and the resistance, we were approaching the resistance. As you can see, the market dropped all the way from there. But when the market consolidated in this area, as you can see, there was another daily resistance. What is this? A pullback, guys. When the market is beyond now, this reverse is where you don't enter the market here. You don't sell here. I think I forgot to tell you that. You can enter the first entry to this point, the other one to this point. But when the market touches this reversal, please don't sell again. Where if it is a bullish, when the market reaches to this reversal, don't take any buy again. So the reversal is the end of the story, of the end of the trade. Then from there, this can be a critical areas, or the market can reverse. You know, people must understand about the market structure or how the market works. Sometimes or many times, you'll find that in the middle of the game, the market can continue going up, or it can reverse even to a point of breaking even the support area. So this is why we mark those areas with the reversal, because whenever you see the reversal, know that the market can reverse and can break even this support and can continue be like a downtrend according to a weekly or monthly signal. Now, this is why if you are taking sale, the end of the journey of that sale, it will be the reverse and the reverse area, because now this one we can name them like they are so critical, dormant, blah blah blah. Don't take trades when the market go beyond the reverse. I believe that is clear. Now, when we go here, as you can see in this daily time frame, let's go to daily time frame to see if there is a resistance. Guy, what do you see? There is a resistance at this area. So this system doesn't lie. As you can see now, we are in this resistance, whereby if you go back to 1 hour, that's where the market is coming from. As you can see, this is where market coming from, and now this is another entry point, and your take profit, we say it should be at this now reverse. So this is the entry point and to near that reverse. So that's how many pips, guys? 70 pips. Don't put exact to that line, just put behind 70 pips. This is why I'm telling you, with this system, now from here to here, you have more than 140 pips, because remember we have our 70 pips here and another 70 pips here. Now that is the end of the journey. It is very, very simple, and simple as that. So the rules are very simple. Let me repeat this. The rules are very simple. So we are looking for the mountain being at level 10 if it is a buy, and our turbo also must be at this level 10, and our candle filter must change the color, and we must have this support, our daily support. Then from there, the changing color of this trading master, that is your entry point, the first take profit 1 and take profit 2, and you are out of the market with more than 100 pips. Simple as that, guys. Simple and simple as that. Now, guys, and I believe, and I think I will just share 1 or 2 videos about this thing, because it's simple as that. Even the other video, I think I will be repeating myself, because it is very, very, very simple to use the NAIROBI system. And the NAIROBI system, not only NAIROBI system, guys, you remember we have the Agatha, we have the classic, we have all those systems, guys, are so great, especially for those who love long trades. There is those rank there, but for the NAIROBI, it's for the candle eaters. This one you will make a lot of money, because it's a very, very, very simple. I don't have to repeat myself about those rules. You have to only to follow those few rules, and from there, guys, you'll always thank me, as people are doing now. People are really thanking me, because I will share even some testimony there, and you can see it for yourself as I've been doing so. So, guys, that is how the NAIROBI system is, and I will share another video about now the NAIROBI EA, that is manual. And the way the thing I explained here about the manual, how the manual is working, it is the same thing that is there in the EA. But in the EA, I will just have to have the signal, because you already know the system, the indicators that are there, the confirmation that are there. I will just demonstrate how NAIROBI works, and we are done with that. Thank you so much, guys. And you don't have any excuse there if you're not making money. The NAIROBI is here. My capital city is here to transform your life. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, Welcome to TFX family. We love you and we adore you.